fx must be exist.
Hmm.
This is called domain. Okay. First thing. For range, this is for domain. For what value of okay. For example,
Hmm.
okay. Or you can say, so tell me what value of x you can put here.
1.
1, 2, -1, -2, 0, 1/3. Any number.
Yeah.
So domain will be what? X belongs to any real number, right?
Hmm.
Because you can put any value of x.
Yeah.
The function fx is exist, right?
Yeah.
Now see, suppose you put anything. You know the square of anything is what? Either 0 or is greater than 0, right?
Yeah.
When you add 1, you will get what? Right?
Yeah.
So whatever you put here, you will get value greater than 1.
Okay.
This is called range. Range means what? You will never get a value less than -1. You can check.
Okay.
And you can put any value of x. This is called domain. Write this
Hmm.
example. I will tell you one more. कराई सुसु कराई.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. See. What are the possible value of x you can put here?
Anything.
Not anything.
Oh,
Because
it can only be like 5.
yes, because you cannot put any negative number within square root. So anything it should be positive, right?
Yeah.
Either positive or 0. So x is what? Greater than 1. So domain will be right.
Yeah.
And range will be, you will get only positive number, right? because you know the value of root a is always positive, right?
Yes.
So you will get what positive number? You will get any real number with positive sign.
Okay.
Okay. So this is range and this is domain. What is domain? You can put only 1 to infinity. You can never put any negative number. Understood?
Okay. Yeah.
So note down this also.
So how do you get it from? How do you get this from like a standard and vertex form?
Standard.
In vertex form.
Do you have any question?
No.
Okay. One more example you can see. Tell me what is domain?
Domain is all real numbers.
Can you put 1
Yeah.
but denominator
Oh wait.
becomes 0?
Yeah.
So you cannot put 1. Other than 1 you can put anything, right?
Yeah.
So domain will be what? Any real number other than 1, right?
Wait, why?
Why? Because whenever you put 1, denominator becomes 0 and you know denominator is never 0.
Well,
So this is domain. And range is find the value of y.
oh,
Okay. Because for range you will put the value of y. Okay. So what value of y you can put? You will say, sir, you can put any value of y, but 1 you cannot put. Right?
hmm.
So other than 1 you can put anything. So range means what? You will get any number, but you will never get 1.
Mm-hmm.
This is called range. Understood? So
Yeah.
note down this uh, question.
Can you show me some more examples?
You want some more example?
Yeah.
Serious. You know anything within under root is always positive,
Yeah.
and you also know denominator is never zero, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you can say x minus 1 is greater than 0 only, not 0, right? Because this is in
Yeah.
denominator. So you can put what? X belongs to any number greater than 1 or infinity. You cannot put even 1 also, right? Na?
Yeah.
Yes. This is domain.
Yeah.
And for range, find y, right?
Yeah.
Squaring on both sides. So you can see you will put y is equal to anything, right?
Hmm.
Any real number because this is positive. But denominator can never be 0, so you cannot put 0, right?
Hmm.
So range will be any real number other than 0. And domain will be any real number greater than 1. Clear?
Yeah, but what about like vertex form and standard form?
Standard form. So this is not a question like standard form. In this question, you can discuss only domain and range.
Oh. No, no, what I'm saying is how do you get it from standard form? Like they give you standard form and they ask you the range and domain.
Standard form. Uh, so for standard form, we will need only polynomial. This is not polynomial actually. Okay.
Well, but like with polynomials, how do you do it?
A polynomial means anything in the power of 1, 2, 3.
Yeah,
Not,
yeah,
yes.
I know that, but like, how do you do it? How do you get the domain range from a polynomial?
Okay. First note this.
I already did.
Okay. You can see, uh, you can put any value of x here, right? Because there is
Mm-hmm.
no any restriction. So domain is
Yeah.
what? Any real number.
Yes.
And range will be any real number. So whenever a polynomial is given, okay,
Yeah.
so domain will be, you can write here, a real number, and range is also a real number. Note down this. This is standard form. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Note down this.
Is there any question